You probably don't need me to tell you this. You probably already know, but the main screen in your Tesla is basically the only thing you interact with. Just the screen and your steering device. These two things are it. So you really gotta protect this because it is so fragile. You smack this the wrong way, you hit it, it could crack, it could break, and then how are you gonna control your car? How are you gonna see your maps? How are you gonna see your navigation? How are you gonna see your cameras? You get it. You need this screen. From the factory, it just comes as it is, a screen, unprotected, and that scares me a little bit. And if it scares you too, I have a solution. It is a glass screen protector. I have one for my phone that I actually already have a little crack on the edge. I can't tell you how many times this screen protector has saved me from actually breaking the real display on my phone. And we're basically putting that on here, except this is way more important. To make this as seamless as possible, let's go into vehicle controls. We'll go to display, and from there, let's tap screen cleaning mode. It's gonna come up like this, and we can feel free to touch the screen, and it's not gonna move anything around. In the kit, we have this easy press and slide, which I'm super grateful for. Now, read the disclaimer. In the screen cleaning mode, you want to clean the screen properly, either with a cloth that it comes with, the screen cleaning cloths, or you could use a microfiber towel and just a dab of water just to really wipe that down. Make sure it's microfiber so it's not too harsh, or the cloth that's included because it's designed to be able to clean your screen. Certain liquids or materials may cause the display to not display good. Next, we're gonna grab a dust removing sticker, and that's basically just a sticker. And you're going around the whole screen, just tapping it around to make sure you get any dust particles off of it so you get the best installation, no foreign contaminants underneath your new display. And from there, we're just grabbing the display. We'll take off the backing, and oof, it looks good. It's going to look even better. Just flip it over. I flipped it the wrong way, so I'm gonna flip it over again. And we're going to just press it on the screen. There's little tabs on the edges, and the little tabs are gonna help you line it up to the screen. So I lined it up really with the top ones first, and then you're gonna go ahead and place it down. It's as simple as that. Then just slide your fingers across the whole side, peel off the tape when you feel confident you've slid it around enough, and then pull off that backing. There might be some air bubbles, and that's totally okay. Remove the plastic piece in front of it, and then take any kind of squeegee tool you have and just go around the edges. Make sure it's a soft cloth squeegee tool, or you could use like a credit card with a microfiber between it and the screen so you don't scratch it. But yeah, just go around, knock out any of those air bubbles, and then get out of that screen cleaning mode and just reposition it and enjoy your new display. If you look to the top left, I'm putting on this magnetic phone charger. It's just adhesive, it sits on there and it magnetically holds your phone, and it wirelessly charges it as well. It's pretty cool little mod I did. I'll have that in the description below the like button as well with a discount code. And take a look at the anti-glare. I am shining my flashlight at it full brightness, and it is not reflecting off the screen. It is just sitting against it. The material that they use on top, the coating over the glass, is great for that anti-light reflection. And the best part, I've been using this for months and I have 0 fingerprints on top of it. I think that's my favorite thing about this, on top of the protection. This made it super easy to install this, as well as the additional tools that it came with. Matte is definitely the way to go. There's a lot of glare hitting it right now, and you can barely see it, like really just barely. The screen feels super smooth. I can run my fingers across it, no problem, interact with everything, touch everything. Everything still feels fast, smooth, and it's not bulky. It's a thin layer, but it's a protective layer, and I think it's super necessary. So if you want to pick up one of these for your Teslas, I'll have it in the description below the like button with a discount code so you can save your screen and save a little bit of money. Thanks for checking this out with me, y'all, and I'll see you all later. More Tesla mods, cooler Tesla mods. Like, oh, you want to see a cool one? Check this out, powered front, guys. What? Yeah, that is it. And it doesn't just open. Yo. Come on, if it just opened, that'd be kind of lame. Like, it closes too.